Supporting sustainability and helping customers to reach their decarbonization effort is a priority for TE Connectivity, both now and in the future. Industrial CO2 emissions intensify the greenhouse effect and represents an important factor against climate change. TE is committed to significantly reducing emissions with its technologies and products to help minimize negative environmental impacts. TE's latest innovation, ECONIDUR plated contacts, contribute to this, using lower carbon-intensive materials for creating high-quality contacts with excellent performance. TE's ECONIDUR surface-plated connector contacts represent a plating technology designed to replace traditional precious metal layers in contact surfaces. ECONIDUR contacts are plated with a well-designed nickel-phosphorus plating that utilizes a sophisticated stack configuration. This is the key to high quality and excellent performance. ECONIDUR plated connectors are supporting greener manufacturing and supply chains, helping TE customers to reduce their own product carbon footprint.
Hi, my name is Jean-Baptiste Serpagli. I'm the sustainability leader at TE Connectivity, Automation and Connected Living sector. In this role, I'm responsible for leading sustainability transformation within our business units. Create a safer, sustainable, productive and connected world is TE missions. Our product innovations have positive impacts as they help customers worldwide saving millions of tons of carbon emissions. This includes products from a wide range of product categories and applications, such as high-power electric vehicles charging, connected outdoor lighting, smart home appliance, and high-energy efficient data centers. With our Design for Sustainability initiative, we work with our engineers on enabling eco-design innovations at the concept stage of our product, supporting our customers to improve their overall product environmental performance. We also assist customers with dedicated tools in complying with product environmental regulations like REACH, RoHS. Our corporate responsibility ambitions align with the expectation of our global customers and guide TE efforts across emissions reduction and innovations. Our team around the world continue to drive further their efforts towards more energy efficient and resilient plants, better selecting decarbonized materials, switching to local supply chain network, and delivering more eco-friendly products design. At TE, we have developed a robust sustainability strategy that drives us forward in fulfilling our mission to create a sustainable future. Our One Connected World strategy is aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This helps us to focus our efforts where our business has broader impact and so to support the urgent fight against climate change. In 2024, we have reduced our green gas emissions Scope 1 and 2 by almost 30% year over year. This was achieved through improved energy efficiency, process optimization, new technologies, and an important shift towards renewable electricity over our facilities. Furthermore, we have reduced green gas emissions in Scope 3 up to 14% since 2022. And we are aiming for a 30% reduction by 2032. To help ensure that our entire supply chain is sustainable and ethical, we maintain a robust supplier social responsibility program focused on transparent and responsible business practices. In addition, we partner with our key suppliers in understanding their opportunities and their commitments in reducing their carbon footprint and consequently our Scope 3 emissions. When we look at our value chain, we see it is mainly related to our Scope 3 and the materials we purchase for making our products. Today we know that the global world emissions are heavily linked to industrial production. If we want to fight climate change and support our customers in that fight, eco-design innovation is a must. And this is precisely where we at TE in Oldenburg come in. At TE in Oldenburg, we have been able to establish a plating process that will revolutionize the production of reliable connectors. TE's ECONIDUR plating mainly impacts materials-related Scope 3 emissions, thus address one of the biggest contributors to corporate carbon footprints. Following life cycle assessment methodology and standards, our experts were able to identify significant reduction in the product carbon footprint of the latest ECONIDUR plated contacts. Indeed, by designing and manufacturing ECONIDUR with nickel-phosphorus instead of palladium-nickel materials, our engineers enable a carbon saving of about 45% for a given product. So the new plating supports decarbonized manufacturing and supply chains.